What's going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Hold on a second. All right, just making sure. Got myself muted on those players so we don't get the double echo. Hi, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a great night last night. We were looking for an amazing, profitable trading day. We like to do that every single day. We nailed that today. Yeah. Yes. Oh, some beautiful, as Ramey says right there, beastly nice in the Mojo room. Yeah. Awesome. Show you what happened today with a company called ARCADIA BIOSCIENCES. The symbol is RKDA. Woohoo! Best trade of the year of 2019. Let me show you what went on with that one. There's been a couple of good ones, but I'll show you what went on with that one. Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike. I was on mute right there on the YouTube. So again, welcome. Thanks for watching the show. One of the best trading days of the year today, ARCADIA BIOSCIENCES. Hope everybody saw that, maybe got a piece of it. If you were in the MOJO Day Trading room, you definitely did. So let's show you what's going on. Randy nailed Uber, UVXY, and ARCADIA today. Every day there's a big one, and also on the swing trading side. So let's start right here. Actually, I'll show you a couple of these because this is on May 9th, 3 months to the day. We hit a $1 Heinz trade that went to 5. Picked in the Mojo room was called Workhorse, WKHS. So it's not the first time that Mojo picked an amazing one for the team. And this one went from $1, picked right here in the beginning of the day. Volume came in, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to $5. That was Workhorse. And then on April 30th, General Electric in the pre-market on a $10 Heinz trade. Bam. That was a beauty. The time and date stamp 7:43 in the morning. 5.8 million shares traded on that already that early in the morning. FTFT on April 11th of 2019. Pre-market trade alert in the Mojo Day Trade room right there to go through $1 Heinz. Went to $1.70. 3-bar move. 70% move right there. And then BPTH on March 16th of 2019 picked at $5 in the Mojo room, went to 7, and then 8, 3-1 and 3-6, picked from 3 to 8, and then from 5 to 7 right there. That was BPTH. That stock went to 20. And this one right here, this is AMRS, picked at 3 to 5.31 in one day. On April 3rd, this was OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies. Sweet. Missed that one, guys, huh? Yo, 630 to 1575, man. $6.30 move to $15 move in one day. Stock traded 22,000 in the pre-market, up $1.29. Finished at 8.7 million, up $10.66. Kind of like what this stock's doing today, which is called ARCADIA BIOSCIENCES. So, as I mentioned in my video yesterday and the day before, you guys should surely be checking out those videos on my YouTube channel. Actually, just go to my Twitter. My Twitter is just basically really the easiest. Shoot over to the Twitter. And right here, I'm always coming live. You could watch me. This is the Mojo right here. I'm live telling everybody. But look, Arcadia, best pick with AQXP. These are called the Skittles. I put out the Arcadia. Today's trading plan. Right here, Arcadia is going high. You can trade pre-market small. I traded 2 million already. Signal there at 29. This was a really nice article right here. On the comics from last night. So this is the show last night. Watch this one, August 7th, right here. It's a good one. I go in detail over the services and what's going on. And then the day before also. And I'm always posting great information on there. So let's head back to the day trade room. And let's get back up in here. I did a free pass today. Papa Pillows came in, man. Papa, did he get that one?
Maybe.
I don't think so.
No.
He didn't. I knew it. Okay, whatever. He liked Ameren. I didn't like Ameren. Ameren went down. What's Ameren? 1480. He liked it at 1520. 1480 right now. Trend is your friend. So he liked Ameren right here. Let's see, Ameren. Ameren, he liked it here at the open. Make sure it's on the minute. Right here at the open at 1530. Said nope. Thing got crushed and has continued to be crushed. I wanted as a trend trade an all-day affair. All-day affair on Uber. See it? 40.27. All-day affair. Beautiful on Uber. We picked it at 39.20, 39.15 with a 5-cent risk. Made a 10-cent risk on the downside. You made a point on the upside. Show you another one we did that with. UV. 32.70 went to 33.05. At 32.15 we did the same thing there. And a couple of other ones. I'll show you those too as we stroll on back to the Mojo Day Trade room. So let's check it out, man. Like I said, if you've been in the swing trade before, you probably haven't been getting the newsletters because I stopped that subscription for you. You need to contact me back. You'd be in YCBD right now from 485. It's 505 right now. Got new picks coming out on Sunday. You're not going to want to miss them. Definitely not going to want to miss them. So let's check it out. This was the drop on Uber. Damn. So we got new traders in the room today. Pro trader Raphael, new to the room. Welcome. You need to get yourself an avatar. And then the news on Arcadia. They received USDA approval for their HB4 donut tolerant soybean. No, it's a drought tolerant soybean. Arcadia announces a joint venture with to grow and extract hemp products. Arcadia. And the float is only 6.2 million for Arcadia. Short the float is 1.62. Insiders own 33% of the stock. Nice. Pro Trader Alpha in the room participating. patient action joining. Pro Trader AC in the room now. Right above Alan. We got someone above you, Alan. That's a woman. Angie. She's loving the room. So yes, we have women in here. We have men in here. We got chick in here, womans and Carols and men. So listen, it's patience, patience, patience. We're going to wait for the trades to present themselves and create a trading plan. And as I mentioned in the pinned messages right here, each morning there is a stock that when the market opens, it is super, super strong with volume, and the trend will stick to that. Not Ameren, that was down 3 points. We like ARCADIA. With the Heinz pricing at $3 and the wow effect, should be good for many years ahead. This was the biggest winner. We jumped on that and nailed it today because of that. Check it out. So if you're going to do a buy sequence of 1,000 shares, you need to do it in like one shot. Bam, 1,000. You got to trade 1,000 shares, man. 2,000 shares, you can go 1,000, 1,000. 5,000, you can go 113, 14, 540, 500. 3,000, same sort of sequencing. 10,000, you go 127. You can go 19, 28. Entry at 1,000, nail 9,000 at 97. Trade size that makes you unemotional like a businessman, not a trade. ARCADIA is going higher, and we could trade that pre-market because it's already traded 2 million, and there's a signal of buyers coming in right there. So adding at 29, signal the adding at 29, signals going higher right there at 35, 335, 335, boom 340, boom 342. A nice little morning quickie. That's what we do. That's how we rock. That's how we rock. I got some traders hanging in there. So let's see what we got going on. This baby's gonna Heinz. Gonna Heinz probably. This one. No, how about this one? Nope, how about this one? Nope. This one? Nope. I know I have a Heinz somewhere. There you go. See? There you go, Heinz. They're up. Get it off before one of the advertisements come in from my competitors. They do a lot of advertising. A lot. What I got going on. How about one of these? Pick. About clicking down there in the little banner. You'll get notified every time I go live. Give me a little thumbs up on the video too. Let's see what's going on back in the Mojo room. All right, so we did that little morning quickie. Did the little morning quickie. UV just Heinz 33. Hope you're in it, Randy. So, good morning, everyone. 8:54 in the morning. They're strolling and they missed the morning quickie, but it's no big deal. All right, Moose Shakes. My target on ARCADIA. It's the pre-market trades. Oh, waiting for the open. There's no target. I'm going to see what it gives us into 350, but not until $3.45. It's now 328, so there's nothing here. I'm telling him exactly how to move when he's in the ring in the Mojo room. No position yet. Gotcha, Mo Shakes. You should become a member of the chat room. You click right here on the live chat, and you can hear me talking like the people do now. See when I talk, the Hulk circle lights up. See? People know that I'm talking. So welcome to the room, old Bullying Bear, Double D, Findax, Harrow, Jerzak, McKay, John Doe, John, KK Leader, Moose Shakes, Oliver, and the rest. Mojo Trading is changing for the best. The last few trading day shows like today have really explained all that's happening in the amazing promotion I'm offering right now. There's another YouTube video from my recap yesterday. Watch that. It's a once-in-a-lifetime offer to become a member of both the day trade chat room and the swing trade newsletter. You'll be able to pay nothing for my online day trading course and swing trading courses, retailing at $14.97 each. They're going to be yours free today. This is not going to be lasting for long, folks. I want to get people in there, pay me on the back end, be a member of the room. The trade you would have done today would have paid for your room membership for a year. Let's see. So stop paying thousands of dollars for stock education that may not work. The MOJO systems are proven since 2012 and have helped hundreds of people day trade and swing trade with steady profits. Now, get started by watching the courses for free. And this was my video. So enough with that. The people jumped on that. I got a lot of people watching that, leaving comments on the courses, and thank you for that. ARCADIA signal at 340. You know what that means? That thing may be going to test 350. All right? So Dante wants it over 4. Dante Papa Pillows. And his wish will come true. It already traded 3 million because it will at 4.68 in the float right there. What else is everyone watching? He likes Amrin. Destroyed. News on Amrin. Deleted it. It was just bad news. They had something with the heart drug that didn't work. ARCADIA goes up and then sells off a former run. I feel like it may disappoint. Well, you've been wrong, Papa Pillows. That's why you're not a member of the room. Us in the room. You dropped out. We nailed. Drought resistant soybean approval. Okay. He likes Amrin. I don't. Amrin flawed. I like JDST through $13. JDST, let's see what it did on the open. It went to $13.22 on the open. Go back to the main screen and do a little twang. $13 and right there, 8 cents. So it made a pop on the open and dropped down. Actually was a loser and then came back to $13.06. So from 13 to 13.06 ain't no big thing, no chicken wing. But then we got a little bit of eugasms. $12 went up to 12. Hold on a second here on the open. Went up to $12.56 from $12. And then it dropped all the way back down to 12. It is now at $12.40. So that was a good one. And then UVXY. And these are what's called trend trades. So anybody at any time, you could have came in at 9:24, the timestamp, and you could have bought 500 shares of each of these. The Heinz 13 right here, JDST's at 12.90. You'd be looking at it right now, coming in at 11.30, checking your thing, saying, let's see, is Mike on the money again? Boom. All right. Not too much. Oh, you guys, look at Mike on that one. It's 12.40 right now, high at 12.59. Then UVXY at 32. Look at my position on that one. UVXY right now is 33.13. So your 500 shares of that's up like $700. Right? As TVIX has to pull into 1850 for UVXY to go to 32. Or it goes lower to TVIX 1807. So I laid out the whole plan, man. Look, laid out the whole plan. UV. So that's what's called. That's a nice list. Papa Pillows likes that. Papa Pillows likes that. And Puma, which is PBYI, into Heinz 11. And Puma actually did really, really nice. So if you look at Puma, and let's say you even bought 500 of that one too, it's 11.17 by 20. It went to 12.15 right here. So if you were to look back at 1020, being like, damn, I'm up $500 on that one too. Shing, man. This Pro Trader Mike and this Mojo Day Trade Room, these guys know what they're doing, man. Pro Trader Jim on the money. Thank you, Jim. And then Mar looking at NBEV. NBEV, all right. Into 50, sell 60, 65. Risk is small. There we go. And then right here, this was, you give me 30 minutes and I'll give you the world of stock trading. Here we go. Hammering little nothing. I don't like that. Oh, okay. I'm into ARCADIA. Second trade. Here we go. These are called Skittles. When these things come out, like I said last night, on my second one, you should be buying. Okay? So watch what happens. So I go 324. It drops to 312, 305, 296. We're going to punch it. If it goes lower, we're going to stop out. So right here at 283, we bump it. Bump it. There's too many shares trading not to bump it. All right, so there's too many shares trading, like so many millions, not to like try to take a bump at it. So we do that at 283 for a cost average of 293 to 295, and there it goes. So you're even here at 293, 294, 295, and the sell of half goes out. So you got a bunch of shares, you're selling half, 94, 95, 96, 97 right there. 98, you got a little left for Hines, so it was a good bump at 83. So right there, you're looking at your P&L as a trader, and you're like, damn, I bought it at 305, 312, and 296. I bought a little bit more, and you're like, damn, I'm down $1,000. So your hand should be sweaty. You say to yourself, look up at the screen, and you say, okay, it's 283. Do I take the $1,500 loss? Or do I add a little bit more right here, bump the position? If it goes lower, I stop out, I lose $2,500. But if it goes back, and or 250 if you're trading 1,000 shares, but if you're trading 10,000 shares, you're down like 15, 20 cents. So then you bump the shares, and you go boom. If it goes down, you're out. You lost 2,500. Another 1,000, but if it goes back up, you're even. And 8 out of 10 times, these strong ones would go back up. So you're taking a gamble and a risk, but at sometimes some of the biggest risks pay the biggest rewards. And boom, if you would have got stopped out, you would have retraded it at a different level and maybe back up to 3. But it held 294, 295, 296. Sell here, 298. It was a good bump at 83. Uber. At 39.15, you're going to risk 10 cents. I like it to go to 40. JDST at 13.15, we're going to risk the 10 and rebuy it at 77 if it gets there. So JDST did exactly that. JDST right here at the open popped up to 13.19 on the Hines, then came down right here to 12.88, held, and then dropped to 12.77 right there. And that's the bottom where I told you to buy. And then it went right back up to 13.06. So that was beautiful right there, exactly on the money. And I told you Uber right off the open to go through 40, right there through 39. Right here at the open, you can see it. Basin, I like it. Risk 10 right there. So there's very little risk because it was basin. So if it failed, done. But if it worked, boom, and then boom, and then boom, 40-20 right now. And that's called a trend trade. It wasn't called a main trade. So you could have bought 500 shares of Uber at 39.15, risked the 10. It's now 40.21. So you're up $1, $500 on 500 shares of Uber. Okay? And this is what a trend trade is. It's a short-term trade that lasts an hour to a whole day with a larger profit target. I switched to the 15-minute bar setting. Trend trading is done by forecasting the future and end price, where it's going to start and end for the day, and the direction of a longer period of time. When the stock's trading 5 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 times the normal volume, you can look to trend trade it easier, where you can buy the open and sell right before the close. Good examples of this are stocks within the entire sector that are trending higher and looking strong, which would be examples I did in this thing of dry ships and the shippers and the solars and so forth. And I like Uberific for that great call for the trend trade. So we're going to get ready for ARCADIA here again. Get ready. Get ready. I say get ready, guys. You got to get ready. Okay? If this Heinz is 3, it's going to go so big. You ready? UV spiking, but ready? Boom. 304, sold. Then it drops to 288 in a minute. So if you hesitated and got greedy and didn't sell, didn't watch my courses, didn't know you should sell right above Heinz at 302, 304, 309, you missed it. You may get another opportunity, but who knows? So we're going to rebuy it. And I asked, did you sell? Alan did. You better ask somebody.
Yeah, baby.
302.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Beautiful. Trading like a pro he is. Love that. Now you can come in any time of the day, guys. Pop into the Mojo room. See what's happening. It's a great Friday. You can watch the video later. A lot of people do. It'll be live on my YouTube channel. Check it out. So it drops 277 to 82. So we're going to rebuy it smaller. 77, 78, 79, 80. Don Papa Pillows is out, he says. Thanks for letting me join. Have a great weekend. Hope you join one day, Papa Pillows. You can watch the day trading course and the swing trading course for free now. I'm hooking you up. Check it out. Go to mojodaytrading.com and click I want the day trading course. And then you'll be taken right here, and you could subscribe to the chat room for $149 a month. When I get that email, I'll send you the course enrollment information to enroll and start watching the course. Anybody who joins this weekend, I'll also hook you up with the Swing 2, the combo pack, and I'll save you $50. So instead of doing the combo pack, mention, see what you could mention. I mean, no, I can't do that. It's too much. 3,000. I get my swing trading course is 30 years of knowledge base. It's I'm giving you like the fishing rod to throw in the water, and ooh, look at Uber breaking out to a new high, 40.34, guys. See, man, check it out. Uber 40.34, new high. ARCADIA, new high, 40.55 coming up on ARCADIA. It's 44.32 right now. Yeah, man, 4.32. And I'm talking about it right here to get ready again at 277. $4.30. That's what I'm talking about. So we're going to sell half here at 280. You ready? IFMK. It is the number 4 winner on the NASDAQ today. Right here. IFMK. At $2.74. It's a Mojo swing pick. right here. On July 16th, you received an email from Pro Trader Mike. It said stop loss there. It's at a move to $1.50. It's right now up 11 cents at $1.55. Stop loss 10 cents. So you're only going to risk 10 cents. Looking for a move to go to 2. That's 45 cents higher. It's got a small float of 7.26 million. Funds 1.3%. You're going to risk 10, high reward 50 cents. It's 270 now. It's gone up 100% since July 16th. It's August 9th. If these are the kind of picks, that's like you're in a newsletter and they give you Apple at 200, and then 2 weeks later it's like 400. You're like, wow, how much is that newsletter? I've made me money forever, and now I know how to do it. All I got to do is wait for the newsletters. It's so detailed. Damn. Okay. Bam. There it is. Boom. So, dudes, ARCADIA got half left. It's 283. 283 on ARCADIA. UV, Randy's in that. Amazing. 3209. Great job on that UVs. 3211. PBYI worked too. 3207 right there. Great job on UVXY. Moving the MOJO Day Trade room. Picked by Randy and the Moj. Stay above the moving average line. Just keep it above the blue. And you guys spot on with the trend trade. 1241. What's you guys at right now for the trend trade? 1250. 1250 on you guys right now. 1248, heading back into the high of the day for the trend trade, just like UVXY is. 3320 high on UVXY for the day. And your $13 JDST, it's still at 1291. No harm, no foul. 1292. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Look at YCBD, the swing pick at 505. Beauty. Look at Ribbit. 266, beautiful. Up on Ribbit a penny. Hexo you down on a little bit, but it hasn't made its move yet. And then you got, let's see right here. Copen, sold that, but we got Perion at $4. $4 and change. Perion Networks is 5 now. Yesterday set a new high right here of 524. We picked it right here in these $4 to go through Heinz 4 right up in here. See that? That one was picked, the Perion. And there you go. So there's my watch list of stocks that I could look at every day to pick, from Netflix to Uber to Apple to Vixie to SPY to UGAS to DGAS, that's the natural gas, to the UWT, DWT, that's the oil combo, to the JDST, JNUG Nugget Gold combo, to the weed stocks right there, Crone, Tilray, CGC, and NBEV and ACB, to some solars like First Solar, SPWR and CSIQ and RGSE. And then you got some Bitcoins right there and some more swing picks down there. It's a nice watch list right there. Looking at going crony baloney, possible into Heinz 14 at 13.95. We're going to add at 90 or 14. And let's just check it out. Uber. So it's ARCADIA time, guys. Watch the move on ARCADIA. You ready? Skittles. 277, 278, 279, 80. He's waiting for 267. I don't think it's going to get there. All right, JDS team, maybe time. Uber, $40. Trend trade high of 39.55, 60, 65. Uber's going into 40. Okay, ARCADIA is the only pick we could be in right now because we took a break that could move up. Only ARCADIA. 274 average. There it goes, 82. You ready? as UVXY continues for Randy at 32.35, goes into 32.45 and 50, is now at a high of 32.49, but is now at 33.20. So great job. Actually, it's not 30, it's 33.04, 33.02. So great job, Randy, doing that trend trade. Beautiful. Overstocks up nice. Good. So here we go on the Skittles. When these Skittles go out, as I mentioned in yesterday's video, and the one before that, and the one before that, and the one before that, on the third one or second one, you should be buying. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, Skittles, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, Mojo Power. Now, there's no other day trading chat room, moderator, or guru that does this to the penny. He'll say, okay, there it is, and this, and then he gets in the trade, and you're lost in the kumbumble and the jumble, and everything's moving, and you're freaking, and oh my gosh, 17 of the traders made money, and you all lost money, and there you go, 70% of the room lost, 30% won, and oh boy, or 70% won and 30% lost. But I doubt mostly everyone could win. Too much kabooble bobble wiggle jiggle going on, too many traders doing too many things. There's no specific line of focus. There's no Skittles. You need the Skittles. Do the Skittles. It's almost impossible to do. Challenge any other day trading room guy to call out the picks like this. Get the Skittles. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Sell 3/4 into 309. Sold, look, 305, 320, 340. Right into the blast. Bam, bam, bam. It's halting. It's going to halt at 350. Bam, it halted right there at $3.50. It halted, bam, on that spike. I told you this was going to happen. I'm the king of halts. Just on that trade, Pro Trader Mar made $2,707. Pro Trader Allen, $1,858. Yeah, wow, Philly. 622.45 on the second bar. Nailing it as the volume came in. Renteria always on the money. Amazing. Here it goes. 370, 375, 380, 385. Bam. 390, $4, 405. Done. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Amazing. That's what I'm talking about. Beastly. Flat at 402. Allen sold the other at 302. Remember? Now he did the same exact thing at 402. He went from 1,800 to 2,300. Mar went from right here 2,700 on the next one, bam, to 4,206. Rento made from 624 to 2219. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful, beautiful UVXY explosion. Everyone's making money. UV, NBEV, great Friday. The best trade in Mojo history, the top three with AQXP back years ago. We all remember that one. ARCADIA, and it happened in the same month of August, in the same first week. AQXP did. Does anyone remember that one? Do you want to see it? AQXP. Anybody want to see that? Check this out, dudes. Look, it's got to be memorialized on August 14th of 2015. In just 5 days from now, because it's the 9th. It's strange how this happens. Look how the volume came in at 9:30 on this stock. See it? These are the first bars. Look at it down here. The stock was 15. Now it's 20. Look. Now it's right there. You could see 15. Made a huge move up. 4 strong bars in a row to $20. 5 points straight up. See that, baby? I sent it out in the newsletter on July 17th. See it? And this was August 13th. So you got the swing newsletter a month earlier on AQXP. It looks like it can gap up. You got a low risk and a high reward. Play it in one direction. Buy it 3 times. 295 to 3, then 3 to 305, then 305 to 310 with a target of 350, then 4. Once 2 years ago, the stock went from 3 to 55 in 3 days. So I'm saying, dudes, could do that again. Did it? It went from 3 to 20, guys. To 20. To 20. Look, we traded it in the MOJO room. See that? This was my swing pick, and we did AQXP right there, $3. See it? Telling you, this no other room will continually deliver the top picks like this. And I'll put this right here in the swing trading channel, because that's got to be like remembered. You know what I'm saying? Right there, copy. Okay. Got the swing trading channel right there. Look at all them charts. Like we got the YCBD right there. Here's the YCBD at 458. See it? It's right now $5. $5 right there. See that? Rice Brain at 278 is the same price. Yesterday was 283. Today's 266, same price. Hexo at 439 already went up to like 60. It's down today, but it's down 13 cents, but it's at 445. Hexo it's going to make a move on the earnings. Then you got this one, ADMS. Oh, I'm on the wrong screen. There we go. I was just showing you these right here. This is the Swing Trade newsletter. So you got the CBD, 458's at 5. Rice Brain's the same. 266, 268. Hexo from 439's down 13 at 443. Adamus at 97 cents. Let's see what that one did. ADMP. ADMP is 99 cents. This one's at 99. Looks like it went to a high of $1.05 today. Today's high is $1.05. And you got SG blocks, SGBX. High today is 85. Here it's at 90, so it hasn't done anything yet. Fuel cell at 34 cents. Fuel cell is 33 cents. Hasn't done anything. Dean Foods, $1.65. These were just like watch list stocks that had potential. Then I just was like, just pulling up 20 of them. Cloudera actually worked yesterday with $7. Eastside Drilling at 411. East EAFC, 397. What's this one? Innovative Support, ISSC. That one's $5.40, hasn't moved. RADA 338. 369 right now. That one did move. Cracks at 220. It's 230. That one moved. And Veritone at 701 is $5. That one got destroyed. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Dogs like that. Uber new high of the day. Nice. That's a good trend trade. 40.58 on Uber. Wow, it's Uberific. Uberific. Wow, 40.57. Amazing. Who picked that today to go up all day long? Who picked that one, man? That's worth a lot. That's worth a bunch. So that's what happened today in the MOJO Day Trade Room. Yeah. Now Alan picked AMD. Alan been on Uber all day. He's made the most on Uber today. Sure. Like he did yesterday on AMD. It's all over the good ones. He knows how to recognize. Like rough. Oh, look what I found in a little video. Remember this guy? He's here. He probably made $100,000. He made $100,000 today trading this stock.
The new voice of talk radio, Alexander Danilov.
My guest tonight is somebody I've talked about on the show, and my guest has talked about on the show for the last few weeks. He is Randy Schreiber, aka Pro Trader Mouse, in the MOJO Trading Room. He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow he's managed to fight, claw, and hustle away, becoming America's newest millionaire trader, which I think is truly remarkable, especially in today's world where you're fighting with so much more big money and bigger losses and fast-moving market. So, Randy, thanks so much for coming on today.
Alex, thanks for the wonderful introduction. I really appreciate it. So I sat back and said, well, I've got to do something. I got into real estate. One thing would lead to another, which would lead to another, and eventually I was actually a real estate developer, building speculator, hard money lender, riding the world of happy success until 2008, where everything comes to a screaming crash, unbelievable halt. But it took me a number of years to dig up from the real estate crash. And my wife sat down, slapped me upside the head, said, you've got to do something with your life, because doing what you're doing now isn't going to cut it. So I sat there and I said, all right, I'm going to take a cash advance because all my money was still tied up in real estate. And the banks weren't lending money against real estate holdings. Went to a credit card, which I had 4 of them, and I borrowed $20,000 cash advance off each credit card. Put that into a trading account, and with my eyes open and my brain closed, I started the day trade.
That's obviously trading itself. For those that are intraday traded, it's also known as day trading, swing trading, option trading, whatever it is. Try to do it for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Very intimidating. Now imagine a scenario that Randy just put us in, where really his whole life and his future was dependent on this move, taking the cash advance, which so many of us would never even dream of doing, to pursue something, to create a life that was more desirable. And Randy, I give you a lot of credit for doing that. But I would like to focus on what was going through your mind at that time. It was a fight or flight mentality, obviously. If we go back to college class many years ago, when we were in that class.
It's not that simple. There's so many people that think they're going to quit the 9 to 5. They're going to be a day trader. They're going to go trade penny stocks, and they read this stuff in the news. They see the stuff on the internet, and they see dollar signs. The reality is, you don't need a degree. You don't need a college professor to help you. You need a good mentor. You need a good day trading room which you can jump into and watch and follow. now we're getting to a level we can sell this. And it's not someone like an analyst saying, go buy QIHU, which was given in stock alert by Barclay last week. Stock was at $92.50, and they gave it a $145 price target. Well, it closed Friday at $87.50. You know, analysts are paid to give opinions. Their opinions are generally wrong.
That's incredible because so many people do think that it's a quick, all I got to do is make 1 or 2 trades, and they heard those quote-unquote stories. That's what they are a lot of times, story fables, because there are very few people that did that 1 or 2 trades that those biotechs that quickly went from penny stock status to pretty much like a Tesla type of story where there was almost pretty much a penny stock, it was in single digits, and all of a sudden it's a $250 name, an issue, and so very few people, and you tell mostly institutionals, but definitely not an individual trader because there's so much going on day to day with those kind of stocks. And those stories where people just made a tremendous fortune of trading 1 or 2 stocks, you can chase that forever. You'll go broke more times than you'll ever make. And that's really one of those things. That's why you have to know not just how the markets work, which are important. You have to know what suits you, which is very important, Randy. Correct me if I'm wrong there. But you also have to know that what triggers a certain emotion or a certain click, because that's what we're doing now, clicking to make a trade. What triggers you to do that? What triggers you to sit on your hands? What triggers you to sit back and go and say, I'm done for today. I'm going to go as Mike, or founder, I told you. Does it from time? Yeah, he quit, he shuts down the room, or he lets people hang out in there for life, but he's gone. So I'd like for you to speak about that part in the day-to-day grind and hustle, because there is no one magic silver bullet formula that you or I can get rich tomorrow, but over time, and you're obviously a great example of that, to be made if you do it smartly and, more importantly, slowly.
Exactly. Very well put, Alex. Kind of succinctly put, the key to successful trading would be what? The key to successful trading. Well, as I've learned, and now I've become keenly aware after trading with MOJO's Day Trading for the last 9 months, is number 1, trade with your eyes, not your brain. You're watching that stock. You got 2 eyes, you got 1 mouth, you got to watch that stock. Next is you're trading with the volume. And as long as you've got the volume becomes your friend. Trade the trend, trade the volume. The moment that volume begins to drive, you're scaling out with your profits. Because at the end of the day, this is, or as I found, and I've been forcing myself to break my German work ethic, been forcing myself to do one thing, and that is, if you make a profit, you can't go broke. The MOJ is very good at that. He makes his money, guys, I'm shutting the room down. What's he saying? If you make a profit, you can't go broke. If you continue to trade, you continue to risk. If you continue to risk, now you might lose your profit. Don't do that. And he's taught that in MOJO University, which I paid for. I think it's the only thing I've ever paid for when it comes to stock or stock related over the last 4 years. I paid for MOJO University, and knock on wood, it's paid huge dividends.
Well, I mentioned the tremendous success that you've had, and once again, I am speaking with Randy Schreiber, who is America's newest millionaire trader. He has been very successful doing a lot of other things, so he's been able to accumulate wealth, but more importantly, been able to accumulate understanding, knowledge, and education and experience, which he was able to roll into or parlay into what's becoming a very successful and obviously a bright trading career.
In the room, one thing that Moj has done, and he does it brilliantly, and I apologize for interrupting you, Alex. He does it brilliantly, better than any room that I've ever sat in or watched or listened to, and that is he plays this term called a magic number. magic number is a stock might be approaching a whole number, $8 a share, $9 a share, $55 a share. And he sees that, and in our journals, we've written down, you know, a million times that this stock, when it goes up to that level, 9 times out of 10, it's going to go through it. And we trade through the magic numbers many times. And if a trader, a learning and aspiring to be trader, does scans and looks for stocks that are at, you know, 795, and you scale into that to break the magic number of 8, and then finishing scaling out at 807, and he does that 3 times a day. At the end of the year, he'll be making $150,000, $200,000 a year just by doing one simple type of trade. And the best thing that Mojo's room does is really identifies those trades and maximizes those trades like no other room I've ever witnessed.
Yeah, and that's actually another thing that I started to figure out towards the end. When stocks reach round numbers, if there's a little bit of momentum behind it, it'll push through or it'll burst very quickly. It's one of those, what's the difference between $39.99 or $40.01 for a stock? It means nothing. It's a 2-cent difference. But psychologically, just like the 2000 number of S&P that we hit last week, and which.
All right, guys, Pro Trader Mike. That was an interview with Pro Trader Mouse, one of the best traders we've have and do have in the Mojo Day Trade room, a multi-millionaire, loves these smaller trading stocks every time they happen. Reminds me of him and how much he loves to roll and bank on these things because it's got tremendous volume, and that's the ARCADIA today. There, it's $3.94, traded 33 million. I thought it would trade maybe 60 million by the end of the day, but it's slowing down. Probably trade around 40 million, 45, maybe even a little more. 12 o'clock right now. So I want to thank you for watching the Mojo Show. If you want to over the weekend, just check out my website, mojodaytrading.com. And on that website, you will be able to, just right there from the home page, navigate to sign up for either day trading, swing trading, or both. You can see how great the swing trade picks are, the day trade picks. You can come here to the newsletter. I've been working on this archive down here. Click the archive. And you can look at this month's trades and last month's. It's a Google Drive. And if you click the tab on the bottom and go back to the beginning, you'll see these columns now. And I've highlighted right here. Like Facebook was a pick on 12/28 of 2012 at $25. I actually have the swing letters. I'm going to put in the archive so you can actually scroll back to that actual swing newsletter and see the actual PDF newsletter that went out to everybody. So all that's going to be added in on there. And right here you could see a GNBT from 6 cents. Today is $2.28. Some of these other big winners. And I have that going for each of the months. We'll continue on the bottom. Right here where they are now. And where they are now, like Entravision. And what else? Big one on here. SPMD from 467 is $33 right now. That's a good one right there. This one is RadNet from 274, so 400% to 1497. CLSN 50 cent, 50% mover right there. This one's up 200. That's the UV though. Has Mankind. Remember that stock? Here's Fold right here. Is at $10. That's up 282%. And this one right here, these are TZA, 400% from $9.95 is $49 now. I think it may have split though. That's why I'm not highlighting those. And that's it. Some good stocks. I'll keep them updated for you so you can keep on checking those babies out. And each one of this shows you where they currently are now from 2013. It's great information. And you can see which ones are the big ones and then go back and then see what they did and match ones. SMIs ones down. The ones that be zero may have gotten bought out. Here's COG up 135%. All right. So that's on the bottom of that newsletter. So you want to check out the courses. They're right here. You click courses, scroll down, click see all the courses, and check them out, man. They're right here. You can't enroll. You can enroll and start watching, but I admin the page, so you have to become a member of the chat room in order to be educated, rather than the other way around, where people are charging you thousands of dollars for the education, and then you may not be profitable or not. The education may be good, or it may not be good. This way you get to check it out for yourself. And I get it on the tail end. So there's the online course, the same course Pro Trader Mouse took in 2014, 4 times. It's right there, same one. Watch it. Let me know what you think. Yours for free. Just join over the weekend. Thank you for watching the Mojo Show. Have a great lunch. Peace, keep it profitable, and I'll see you Monday. Later.